Does your bank give you separate bank feeds for each employee's credit card, but everything shows up on the same statement? In this video, I'll show you how to set up multiple credit card users in QuickBooks Online so you can track every transaction by employee and keep your books organized and accurate. We'll start by creating a parent credit card account called Chase Credit Card. This will not be connected to QuickBooks Online and has no activity. We're taking this step because if an account is pulling in a bank feed, we can't create sub-accounts. We're going to click on My Apps and then Accounting and Chart of Accounts. And then we'll click on New Account and our account name will be Chase Credit Card. The account type will be credit card. The detailed type will be credit card. And then we'll save and new. Next, we'll create sub-accounts. One is the main card where payments show up on the statement. The other three are employee cards. Each person is identified by the last 4 digits on their credit card. We're going to add the first sub-account, Chase Credit Card, ending in 0000. This is our main payment account. We'll leave account type and detail type the same. And we're going to make this a sub-account of Chase Credit Card. And then we'll save and new. Then we'll add another sub-account. So this will be for an employee, Chase Credit Card, ending in 0001. And we'll make this a sub-account of Chase Credit Card. And then save and new. We'll add another employee card. And this is Chase Credit Card, ending in 0002. And this again is under the parent account, Chase Credit Card. And then we have one more account to add, which will be Chase Credit Card, ending in 0003. Parent account is Chase Credit Card, and then we'll save. You can link your credit card accounts to your QuickBooks Online account. However, in this example, we're going to upload a CSV file with the transactions. We'll click on My Apps and then Accounting and Bank Transactions. And from the drop-down arrow, we'll select Upload from File. And then we'll select our main payment account, Chase Credit Card, ending in 0000. And then we'll upload from this device and select the CSV file and then open. The first row in our CSV file is a header, yes. How many columns show amounts? 1 column, and the date format that we're using is month, day, and year. In our file, column 2 has a transaction date, column 1 has a transaction description, and column 3 has a transaction amount. We're not using a check number, so that's blank, and then we'll continue. Then we'll check the box to select all of the transactions, and then continue. Yes, we'll import all the transactions. Here we have the Chase credit card transactions that we just imported. The same steps were repeated for the other 3 credit card accounts. You can see the number of transactions and the bank feed for each account. We will add transactions from the bank feed to the credit card register for each account. You'll notice that with Chase, there's a separate bank feed for each credit card, even though they all show up on the same statement. We'll add the transactions from the main payment account. So here we have AT&T, purchase of internet and TV services, so we'll post that one. And then we have a purchase from Arco, and that was for fuel, so we'll post that one. This is a purchase from United States Postal Service for shipping and postage. And this one is a credit card payment from the US Bank checking account, and then we'll post it. The same steps will be repeated for the other credit card accounts. Now that we've added the transactions for each credit card, let's see how they show up on the balance sheet. So we're going to click on Reports and then Standard Reports and then Balance Sheet. And we're going to scroll down till we get to the Liabilities section. And here we have the parent account, Chase Credit Card, and all of the sub-accounts. And you'll notice that each sub-account has a balance. Next, we will reconcile the parent account. We're going to click on My Apps and then Accounting and Reconcile. And we're going to be reconciling the parent account, Chase Credit Card. The beginning balance is $250 and the statement ending balance is $876.03. The statement ending balance is August 31st, and then we'll start reconciling. We can see all the transactions from the sub-account, and then I'm going to click on the circle and select all the transactions, and you'll see that there's a $0 difference, and then we'll finish now. On the balance sheet, each sub-account showed a balance. We're going to roll those up to the main payment account. This will keep your balance sheet clean. We're going to click on Create and then Journal Entry, and the journal date will be August 31st. That's the ending date on the credit card statement. And we're going to debit the employee sub-account, so not the main payment account. We're debiting the accounts to reduce their balance. So we're going to start with 0001, and then 0002, and 0003. And then we're going to debit the balance on the credit card statement. So we have $319.24, $236.30, and $48.12. And then we're going to select the main payment account ending in 0000, and we're going to credit the account $603.66. Now when we take a look at the balance sheet after adding the journal entry, we can see that all of the sub-accounts balances rolled up to the main payment account for a total of $876.03. Since this is a step that will have to be repeated each month, there has to be an easier way. That's where a template will be so valuable. This will be a journal entry that can be reused each month. All you need to do is plug in the balances for each sub-account that appear on the credit card statement. We're going to click on the gear icon and then recurring transactions and then new, and we're going to select journal entry and then OK. We're going to call our template Chase Credit Card, and this will be an unscheduled journal entry, and then we'll add our sub-accounts starting with 0001, 0002, and 0003. And we're going to add a reminder. So this is letting us know that we need to debit these accounts. And then we'll add our main payment account 0000, and we'll add a reminder to credit this account. So this lets us know which account we need to debit and which account we need to credit. And then we'll save our template. Now that you have your accounts and template set up, the monthly reconciliation and journal entry will be a breeze. Want to learn QuickBooks Online and bookkeeping at your own pace? Check out our beginner-friendly course, the link is below, or if you'd rather skip the DIY and let a pro handle it, book a free consultation call with us. The link is in the description below.